Leasing commercial properties used to take months. Endless showings, paperwork, and delays. But today, PropTech is rewriting the rules. With tools like virtual tours and 3D walkthroughs, prospects can explore entire buildings anytime, anywhere, cutting weeks off the decision process. Data-driven insights help owners set competitive rates, track tenant demand, and market properties with precision. PropTech platforms turn complex market data into clear insights, helping owners spot opportunities and optimize leasing strategies instantly. These insights don't just inform decisions, they give landlords the power to lease at the right price, to the right tenants, at the right time. Smart platforms handle scheduling, documentation, and even tenant screening, automating what once slowed down deals. The result? Faster decisions, fewer vacancies, and a lease timeline cut in half. At Sell the Dwell, we help you harness PropTech to lease smarter, not slower. The future of commercial real estate is here. Are you ready? Visit sellthedwell.com today.